Here is a beginner-level facilities manager quiz that covers sustainability and energy efficiency, emergency and disaster preparedness, and technology and automation. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary goal of sustainability in facility management? A. Avoiding the use of renewable energy. B. Increasing energy consumption. C. Reducing environmental impact while maintaining efficiency. And D. Ignoring waste management. Answer: reducing environmental impact while maintaining efficiency. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of energy-efficient facility management? A. Using LED lighting instead of incandescent bulbs. B. Keeping lights on even when rooms are unoccupied. C. Ignoring HVAC system maintenance. And D. Running all appliances 24/7 regardless of usage. Answer: using LED lighting instead of incandescent bulbs. Question 3. Which renewable energy source is commonly used in sustainable facility management? A. Coal-fired electricity. B. Solar power. C. Diesel generators. And D. Nuclear power. Answer: solar power. Question 4. What is the best waste reduction strategy in facility management? A. Recycling and composting waste materials. B. Disposing of all waste in landfills. C. Avoiding waste audits. And D. Burning all waste without sorting. Answer: recycling and composting waste materials. Question 5. What is the main benefit of installing motion sensor lighting in facilities? A. Eliminating the need for light switches. B. Increasing electricity consumption. C. Keeping all lights on permanently. And D. Reducing energy waste by automatically turning off lights when not needed. Answer: reducing energy waste by automatically turning off lights when not needed. Question 6. Why is it important for a facility to have an emergency and disaster preparedness plan? A. To ensure quick response and recovery in case of emergencies. B. To ignore safety procedures. C. To delay emergency response. And D. To avoid training employees on safety protocols. Answer: to ensure quick response and recovery in case of emergencies. Question 7. Which of the following is an essential part of a fire safety plan in a facility? A. Blocking emergency exits. B. Clearly marked fire exits and evacuation routes. C. Ignoring fire drills. And D. Storing flammable materials near heat sources. Answer: clearly marked fire exits and evacuation routes. Question 8. What should employees do during an earthquake emergency in a facility? A. Ignore emergency instructions. B. Run outside immediately. C. Use elevators to evacuate quickly. And D. Take cover under sturdy furniture and stay indoors until it's safe. Answer: take cover under sturdy furniture and stay indoors until it's safe. Question 9. Which is a key element of an emergency response plan? A. Not preparing for natural disasters. B. Keeping emergency contacts a secret. C. Conducting regular drills and training for employees, and D. Avoiding investment in safety equipment. Answer: conducting regular drills and training for employees. Question 10. What should a facility manager do immediately after a disaster occurs? A. Assess the situation and initiate the emergency response plan. B. Ignore the damage and continue work as usual. C. Wait for someone else to take action. And D. Shut down all communications. Answer: assess the situation and initiate the emergency response plan. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which facility management technology helps in automating building systems? A. Manual record keeping. B. Building management system, BMS. C. Paper-based maintenance logs. And D. Unscheduled inspections. Answer: Building Management System, BMS. Question 12. How does smart HVAC technology improve facility management? A. By running at full capacity at all times. B. By increasing energy consumption. C. By optimizing energy use based on occupancy and temperature needs. And D. By ignoring temperature fluctuations. Answer: by optimizing energy use based on occupancy and temperature needs. Question 13. Which technology is used for automated security monitoring in facility management? A. AI-powered surveillance cameras. B. Manual guard patrols without communication devices. C. Unsecured access points. And D. Removing security measures. Answer: AI-powered surveillance cameras. Question 14. What is the primary function of IoT, Internet of Things, in facility management? A. Reducing the need for facility management. B. Increasing manual work. C. Avoiding technological advancements. And D. Connecting smart devices for better automation and monitoring. Answer: connecting smart devices for better automation and monitoring. Question 15. Which system can automatically control lighting, HVAC, and security in a facility? A. Integrated Facility Management System, IFMS. B. Typewriter-based record keeping. C. Handwritten maintenance logs. And D. Uncontrolled manual operations. Answer: Integrated Facility Management System, IFMS. Question 16. Why should facilities managers use computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS? A. To increase paperwork and manual tracking. B. To streamline maintenance scheduling and reduce downtime. C. To avoid preventive maintenance. And D. To delay repair requests. Answer: to streamline maintenance scheduling and reduce downtime. Question 17. Which of the following is an example of digital transformation in facility management? A. Conducting all inspections manually. B. Maintaining paper logs only. C. Avoiding software-based solutions. And D. Using mobile apps to monitor and report facility issues. apps to monitor and report facility issues. Question 18. What is an advantage of automated energy monitoring systems? A. Identifying energy consumption patterns and reducing waste. B. Increasing facility costs. C. Disabling energy-efficient solutions. And D. Avoiding monitoring of energy usage. Answer: identifying energy consumption patterns and reducing waste. Question 19. Which type of technology helps facility managers track and monitor assets efficiently? A. Guesswork without tracking systems. B. Physical paper records only. C. RFID, radio frequency identification, tracking. And D. Verbal asset tracking. Answer: RFID, radio frequency identification, tracking. Question 20. How does cloud-based facility management software help organizations? A. Provides real-time data access and centralized management. B. Increases the need for manual tracking. C. Eliminates automation from the facility. And D. Prevents facility managers from accessing information remotely. Answer: provides real-time data access and centralized management. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.